Hi, this is Chris and welcome to another video in which you get an over-the-shoulder view of my experiences and my results with the TRAIX crypto trading bot. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos up to now, I've been running this bot since the 16th of May, and the whole idea was to see whether or not this crypto trading bot, the Traiex bot, is going to produce £1,000. That's in the region of $1,365 or USDTs in 30 days. It's the 16th of May I started it. It's now the 16th of June, so we're bang on 1 month. So I'm going to give you the final results. Now, I was trying to get a daily video going here, but because I've been traveling again, once again, I travel a lot, and I'm down in the West Country of the United Kingdom here, into Cornwall to visit some family. It's been great, and all I've been doing is every single day I haven't been touching this bot, I haven't been tuning it or doing anything with it at all, apart from leaving it to run its trades and taking snapshots, taking screenshots, if you like, on my phone every single day. Now, if you recall, I started off with a $500 bot and $100 in the account just to test it. It did what it said on the tin, so then I jumped in with a $2,000 bot and $10,000 in the trading deposit. And it's been doing fantastically well. I've been doing absolutely nothing with it at all, and it's been earning every single day. Now, if you think that that's too much for you, there's some really good news which I'm going to share with you at the end of this video. So watch to the end. Traiex has realized that people don't often have the amount of money to jump in with this sort of size of deposit, and they've changed things a little bit. So at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly what they've done. So without further ado, let's take you into the daily results. I'm going to take you from Sunday the 8th of June up until today, which is Monday the 16th of June. So exactly 1 month since my original deposit. So you recall I left you on Saturday the 7th of June with 11,150 in the deposit balance. Now, because I was traveling, I didn't manage to get screenshots of Sunday and Monday, so we're going to jump onto Tuesday the 10th of June, as you can see at the top here. Now you can see on Tuesday I had 11,268.59, so I'd already reinvested some of the earnings back in, and at this point I had 53.50 in the profit balance. So I withdrew that successfully, of course, as always, and updated the deposit with the 53.50. Now this took me to 11,322.09 USDTs in the deposit balance, and you can see in fact that I was traveling because I've got Google Maps on the top left hand side there. I didn't realize I had that. I was a passenger at the time, by the way, not the driver. Now during that day I earned $54.88 in USDTs, the bot working on my behalf whilst I was traveling around. Now you'll notice on the top right hand side here we have 359.10 USDTs, and obviously that's more than what was earned in that 24 hours. And the reason why that's there is because when the Traiex bot first started, the company was producing, if you like, a founder's token called TRAIX, which I bought quite a few of. That's been earning me, if you like, a bonus over the last few days and weeks, and that was about $300 worth of bonuses there. So I decided to collect that together, change that into USDTs, and at this point pop all of that back into the trading deposit. So you can see I put 359.10 into the update deposit, which was done successfully, which brought that to a nice 11,681.19. Now the next day was a lower earnings day, 32.28. So withdrew that as before and successfully updated the deposit. Now there's a 54.88 which was pending from previously. That took a while to come through the system, so that's gone back in successfully, along with that 32.28 that you just saw. So that successfully updated the deposit balance at this point to 11,768.35. Now, once again, remember, this is all done automatically. I haven't tweaked or tuned this bot at all. It's been working in the background whilst I've been enjoying myself. So I can thoroughly recommend, if you're interested, there'll be a link either above or below this video. Click the link, have a look, because you won't be disappointed, I promise you that. Now, I tried to get the date and the deposit balance on the same screenshot here by fading the phone out, but you can see it's Thursday the 12th of June, and if I click on, you'll see 11,768.35 with a 45.03 USDT earning on that day. That again was withdrawn and reinvested, and there it is, gone back in to give me an 11,768.35 USDTs. Now, on Friday the 13th of June, unlucky for some, but lucky for anybody with a TRAIX trading bot, 45.03 went into the deposit amount. There it goes. Successfully deposited, bringing that up to a nice 11,813.38. So we're doing very well here. And I was very happy with the next day's earnings, which was 60.12 USDTs. So very happy to withdraw that amount and get that back into the deposit account as quick as I could. And so on Saturday, the 14th of June, we had a nice deposit balance there of 11,813.38. Now, I'm hoping you're getting the feeling of how amazing this TRAIX crypto trading bot is. You know, nothing that I've done has changed this bot. It trades every day, 24 hours a day, and also 7 days a week, because this isn't Forex, this is crypto, and crypto doesn't trade just Monday to Friday. It goes all the way through 7 days. So at this point, 11,813.38 is a very, very nice result. So again, I've got the date on there, Saturday the 14th of June. And there's the update deposit amount of 60.12 USDTs going in. And there we are, 11,873.5. The bot's still earning, as you can see, whilst I'm transferring money over. So earned me a couple of dollars there, just in the background. So that brings us right up to Sunday the 15th of June. Now this is actually day 30. You can see that 11,873.50 produced 58.25 USDTs on the Sunday. Went back in successfully again on Sunday the 15th. And there's 11,931.75 USDTs. Now, because I started this whole journey on the 16th of May, I thought I'd take it right up to today, which is the 16th of June, to see, number one, could I get $1,000 out of this system in a month? The answer is obviously yes already, we know that. Can I get £1,000 out of the system in a month? I'm going to show you that in a moment. The question really should be, how much more than £1,000 has this bot made me? What can I leave in as compounding for the next month? So we'll find that out in just a second. But let me take you right up to the 16th of June, Monday, which is today. So there we are. There's the date on the top, Monday the 16th of June. You can see there's 11,931.75. Again, there's another 52.21 USDTs made in the last 24 hours. So that 51.21 was updated back into the deposit amount successfully. And that brought us up to 11,982.96. And that is literally in one full month of using the TRAIX crypto trading bot. Now, so this video doesn't get too long, I've decided to divide it into two parts. We'll call this the end of part one, and make sure you like and subscribe so you know when part two is coming up. That's really important. And what I'm going to show you, if you're interested in TRAIX and you want to set up your own TRAIX crypto trading bot, in a couple of moments, there's quite an exciting bit of information I'm going to give you from the company, which makes setting up a bot within everybody's reach. It's brand new, and I defy anybody not to want to actually test one of these bots themselves with this bit of information that's coming up. Now, when I first started with Traiex and set up my first crypto trading bot, I started as a starter trader. As you can see, it was a $500 bot. I could play with a maximum deposit of 5,000 USDTs with a minimum of 100 in, which was fine for me to start off with. I very quickly jumped up to this one, which is the Plus Trader, which, as you can see, was the $2,000 bot, but a much bigger amount that you can play around with, which is up to 25,000 USDTs maximum deposit. So this is the one I'm on at the moment. But the company have now introduced two crypto trading bots, which is going to cost a lot less than I started. This is the Light Trader. You start with a $200 bot and a $100 minimum deposit, and that suits an awful lot of people. However, there is one more, and this is called the Trial Trader. The Trial Trader, the bot costs just $50, 50 USDTs, with a minimum deposit of 100 in there. So basically $150. You can start, you can test, you can play around with the bot. You can't break it, but you can see how much per day it earns, and of course that percentage can then be translated into higher and higher bots. So, you know, fantastic if you want to set up with just a $50 or this one, which is the $200. This graphic shows all of the available subscription types, from the Trial Trader, Light Trader, Starter, Basic, all the way up to Pro, Max and Advanced Trader. You can see these are quite expensive bots, 3,500, 5,000 and 10,000, but look at the total amount that you can trade with. It goes up to 250,000. But what a nice way of starting, with just dipping your toe in the water with the $50 bot. So if that idea floats your boat, just click the link on this page to find out more. Thanks for watching part 1. Watch out for part 2. My name's Chris. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.